Hi everybody, welcome back to another balloon tutorial. Today we're going to be twisting a bigger bunny. Before we did a smaller one and we did one on an egg. Now we're just going to do a bunny on its own, but it's going to be a little bit bigger. This one's going to use 350, 260, and a white for the tail. Let me go ahead and show the back of it there so you can check it out. There we go. But stick around, let's learn how to do it, huh? What do you say? Alright, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now's a good time. That way you can be notified when new designs show up. And the way I do my balloon twisting is I will bring the sound down so we can minimize all that squeaking and maximize the teaching. I'll do voiceover during that time as well so you can follow along, okay? So here are the balloons really quick. I have a 350 pink, and you can see I have about a hand's width there at the end, or a grip. And then same thing for the 260, but we're not going to use all of this. So this one we're going to get to the end very close. And then I have a white round that I've already blown up that we're going to use right here. And so we're almost to the end of Easter designs. I might do one more and then we'll move on to something else next week. So let's go ahead and get started twisting. Oh, pardon me, I almost forgot. I have a cutter down here, and then I'm also going to be using a black Sharpie to do my artwork, okay? So those are the only things you're going to need. Right here is what you see. And you can definitely scale this down if you want. You know, you can do 260 here and then 160 there. So keep that in mind. All right, let's go ahead and start twisting. Let's bring that sound down. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and start with the 350. It's going to do most of our work, and then we'll do the 260 next. So you see I have a little bit of a extra long nozzle there, and that's going to help when we go to split the feet. So we got 3 to 4 fingers here. It's really up to you on how big you want the feet to be. I'm going to say probably 4 fingers is best. Okay, so we're going to go around, twist that around. See, I matched them up. I'm going to pull that nozzle just to the end there where they split, and I'm going to just tuck it inside there. Okay. And that'll just give them a nice look there and keep it nice and secure as well. Alright, so I'm going to go about a hand's grip there, and then we're going to do that again, another hand's grip. This is going to be the ears. You're going to come right back down, matching that. There we go. And I'm not going to bother to lock twist just because you know, it's a bigger balloon and there's a lot of pressure right there, so you're not in danger of it, you know, coming undone or anything like that. So I rolled 2 bubbles. And that second one right there, we're going to twist into that one, and it's going to create ourselves, we're going to create ourselves a pinch twist when we do that. You could pinch twist it ahead of time if you like. It's really up to you. Okay, so you see it right there. Okay, and I'm just pulling that around, twisting that around, making sure it stays looking good. Alrighty, cool, everything's looking good. I'm going to go ahead and make a small adjustment. He popped it. You know what? Editing. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, let's go ahead and keep cruising along here. So I got that bubble there, and I'm not going to pop it just yet actually, because what I'm going to do is go ahead and wrap my nozzle of my 260 in there just to make sure it's nice and secure, because I don't want to pop that bubble and then have the whole thing come undone on me, you know. So I'm just going to, again, just pull the nozzle of that 260 around there a couple times, and then we can pop that. There we go, and it'll be nice and secure. Okay, there we go. Alright, so we're going to do about a 2-finger bubble. That looks pretty good. Okay, and then we'll do another 1 finger is probably fine, and then we'll do a pinch twist, and then we're going to do about a hand's grip. And at the end here, you know, I'll become redundant because I'll talk about it again. I did about a hand's grip, but you could probably do up to 6 fingers, and that's going to make it easier for you. So I'm going to do, I did 2 segments. I'm going to pull it around. Okay, so it goes around the body, and we're going to twist it back into the pinch twist. Okay, and that's going to have create our little arms around the bunny. And that's pretty much it as far as the twisting goes. The last thing we're going to do now that we're done with that is put on the tail, and that's it. And the way I'm going to put on the tails, you know, is really up to you, but the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to be holding part of the balloon you know, against that one of those legs, and then we'll have it you know, just wrap it around a few times after we hold it against there. So I'll show you right now in just a moment what I was talking about. See, so right now I'm just pressing, you know, that little tail right there that I was flicking. I'm holding it against the back of that leg while I go around. See that? So it's really up to you on how you want to do this part. I'm just showing you the way I like to do it. There we go. And then that other piece will just, you know, it'll just kind of get snapped in there. So we're pretty much done with the twisting. Stick around for the artwork. I'm just working on the aesthetics, make sure it looks nice and pretty, like you should always do with your balloons. And so, like I said, stick around for the artwork. We're gonna do this one pretty simple. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Yeah. All right, see, we made it. What was I gonna say? I think I feel pretty good about this. So one thing to keep in mind is just make sure that these arms, you know, are a good length. That way you don't run into too much trouble trying to make them stretch around. You know, I did about a hand grip, and you could probably do up to 6 fingers. You're probably gonna be okay. That'll make your job a little easier when you get back around to this part here. So let's go over the artwork really quick, and then we'll bring it to a close. All right. So we're gonna follow the same face we did before. Let me go ahead and go up here really quick because it doesn't hurt to do that. Oh, you know what's cool about this too is because of this, you know, having the tail there, this will sit down as well, which is kind of cool. Will it do it 100% every time? No, probably not, especially if it's like outside, you know. So, okay, all right, here we go. Let's go ahead and put our nose on there. Okay, so we have our oval. There we go. Okay. And then we have our little muzzle area. I think it's muzzle. Last time I had done one of these, I said snout. I think snout means longer. It's longer, right? Muzzle's more like. All right, let's go ahead and add the tooth. There we go. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and do our eyes. Oh, let me hold that up there for you for a second. Okay. All right, let's go do the eyes. And you know what? I'll do the cute smiling eyes, and maybe I'll add another. So you see we got our eyelashes and little eyebrows there. Okay, and you know what? I had said black marker when I did this, but there isn't any reason you can't do, you know, instead of the whiskers, do some, you know, little circles for blush instead. I think that'll look cute too. So it's really up to you, you know, like. That's the cool part about this. You can kind of jam it out and see, you know, what fits for you. You could do different eyes. Maybe install a bow right here. It's really up to you, you know, on what you want to do with that. But I just want to make sure that you have something out there that you can use, something you can try out. Just something different, you know, if you made another bunny before in the past, maybe you can try this bunny now. And again, don't forget, you can scale it down, you know what I mean? Thank you for hanging out with me. I appreciate it. Like I said, we're getting close to being done with Easter designs, and we'll move on to something else next week. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up. I always appreciate it. Anytime the videos get thumbs up, you know, just helps them show up, you know, if you're searching for them and stuff like that. You know, just to help you find something fun. And then comment down below, you know, say, hey, I like that design. It's pretty cool. It helped me out. You know, and then maybe push you in another direction that you didn't try before. So those are the kind of things to think about, you know, when you're making these designs, you know, is what else can I do with this? So I think we're gonna go ahead and bring it to a close. Yes, sounds good to you? Yes. Oh, last but not least, of course, I'm losing my mind, is if you want to support the channel, visit patreon.com/jlomagic. I'll put it in the description below. And again, if you didn't subscribe, there's a button down there below. Go ahead and click on that, and you'll be on your way to seeing some more balloons and having some fun. Let's go and bring it to a close with happy twisting. Bye now.